Behind every bottle of perfume lies centuries of art and science. But how are those captivating scents created? Today, we'll take you step by step through the fascinating process of perfume making. The process begins with gathering raw materials. Flowers, fruits, woody scents, spices, and even animal extracts are used. For example, flowers like roses and jasmine are handpicked. For woody scents, materials like cedarwood are carefully harvested using special techniques. Once the raw materials are gathered, their essence is extracted using different techniques. Steam distillation, the most common method to extract essential oils from flowers and plants. Solvent extraction, used for more delicate flowers to preserve their fragrance. Cold pressing, the simplest method to get oils from citrus peels. The heart of perfume making lies in the formulation process. Perfumers carefully blend the notes. Top notes, the first scents you smell, which fade quickly like lemon or bergamot. Middle notes, the core of the perfume, such as jasmine or lavender. Base notes, the long-lasting scents like vanilla, musk, or sandalwood. Perfume isn't just about essential oils. These oils are blended with alcohol and fixatives. Alcohol helps the fragrance spread, while fixatives ensure the perfume lasts longer. The final step in perfume making is the resting period. The mixture is left to settle for several weeks, allowing the scents to harmonize. Afterward, it undergoes quality control and testing by experts before final approval. Finally, the perfume is bottled, labeled, and placed in its packaging. Every bottle of perfume is not just a fragrance, but also a piece of art. And that's how a bottle of perfume is made. After seeing this fascinating process, remember that every fragrance is a mix of art and science.